Alright, walking into a one bedroom right now. Living dining space. There as you see, nice natural sunlight hits inside the apartment space. Kitchen area, updated cabinetry, countertops, appliances, open kitchen setting. Living dining area, you have a balcony entrance as well. Washer and dryer outside, the hallway area, your bathroom, everything's nice and shining in here. Linen space, closet space outside your bedroom. Leading up to your bedroom, you do have a balcony door here, entrance as well. Good sized bedroom space. Big walk-in closet there with shelving to organize your things too.